And I have for you a special bonus, so think of it as a little holiday gift from me to you, and that is dress an elf with I statements. So I love this seasonal activity. Why I think you should teach I statements is because they're an essential conflict resolution skill. They're so great for our students to learn. And an I statement is an easy format for students to follow. So it's saying, I feel blank, when blank, because blank, next time please blank. So once they get that format down, it's going to make solving their conflicts way easier. And this one is seasonal, so it's memorable and seasonal and fun because it is elf themed in December. So here's what it looks like in action. These elves just have on their little undergarments, and they're going to dress them by building an I statement. So, I feel sad when you ignore me because I need to talk to you. Next time, please listen to me. So they'll be picking a hat, an outfit, and shoes. It includes 4 elves to dress, so you can do the print ones or you can do black and white, and then they could color them in as well. And I have a digital version. So if you're doing this with the whole class, I like to do the digital version together on the screen to kind of show them, and then independently they can do the craft. So that's a fun one. I hope you guys enjoy that this month.